The greatest distance in the world is just 14 inches from the head to the heart. It is most difficult to decide whether to go with the head or heart. Is that happened to you in a relationship that between head and heart you have to chase one of them? Yeah, almost. If I were you, I would choose the head. When it hurts more than it feels good, leave. When there are more fights than jokes, leave. When there are more tears than smiles, leave. It is hard, but not impossible to forget someone, as we have a suitable proverb here, which is out of sight, out of mind. In life, instead of wiping away your tears, wipe out the people who make you cry. Cry as hard as you want to, but make sure when you stop it, you will never cry for the same reason again. Your best teacher is your last mistake. Burn your bad habits before they burn you. So stop watering a dead flower. Furthermore, choose people who choose you. Some people are like clouds. Once they go away, it's a beautiful day. A breakup with someone will either make you realize how much you truly miss them or how much peace you have without them. Cutting people out of your life does not mean you hate them. It means you respect yourself. Every lesson that you will learn from life will be signed by those whom you love the most. Every pain gives a lesson, and every lesson changes a person. Remember, wrong people will always teach you the right lesson. Some people come into life only to teach you how to grow alone. If they have stayed forever, you might not learn the lesson. Some people will leave you. It's not end of their story, but end of their role in your story. No relationship is ever a waste of time. If it did not bring you what you want, it taught you what you don't want. There are things we don't want to happen, but have to accept. Things we don't want to know, but have to learn. And people we can't breathe without, like oxygen, but have to let them go. If you want to be strong, learn to enjoy loneliness. The best revenge is ignoring. Ignore those who ignored you. Don't take revenge at all and continue your own path. Don't cry because they left you. Work on yourself and make them regret it. Believe me, what hurts you today will make you stronger tomorrow. When something hurts you, observe. Life is trying to teach you something. The pain you feel today will be the strength you feel tomorrow. Additionally, hard times teach you the valuable lessons. Forgive them, but don't forget the lesson you have learned from them. When your heart breaks, your mind starts working. Never say no one likes me. Always say no one is like me. Bear in mind, a wounded lion is more dangerous. To sum it up, break up in relationship means wake up in life.